Jah people, blessed love. This is Daniel Marshall here. From the infrastructure work on my own project, same way. You don't know. This is my earbed, my people. I don't know if you recognize it, but I'm still on the floor. I'm on the floor. Because actually what happened 2 nights ago, I'm kind of over inflated, pumped too much air in it, and it stretched and pull away and a hole and create a hole for itself, you know. And so the air just, so I pump it up, pump it up, you know, and sit down, get up and leave it, and sit down, start working on a video, editing a video. And we turn around and go some I said, but wheel on there, it's a soft. Every check I stop, the whole of the air blow out on one end. So I try if patch it. Yeah, I try to patch it, but it not take no patch. We try to patch it, but it not take no patch. We try to use the bicycle patch and the bicycle glue, but it's still not hold on upon it. So if any of the item have any idea out there, you can share it with me. The thing is, they distribute on the box and the manual. I check to them and I'll tell you how to patch it if it get a hole, but I read it over about 2 times or 3 times the manual and the box. And pay attention to what is written on the box, but there's no telling about how to patch it. See? But still in regard to that, anyhow, I still appreciate it. I'm not tell you in my life, I still appreciate it. I'm still figure a way out to patch it. Really appreciate it, and much heart of love to the person who sent it to me on a real basis. Can you imagine the love? Because I mean, the person see me is laying on the floor now, and this time the floor wasn't even tiled. And it's that same person on a real base helped me with the money, with the funds to buy the tiles. See, you don't see it. So, but regardless, this baby, one punch or anything, but regardless, God is still in the mix. People were there for the own project and I evening, I seen we are about to a little bit of work, so they don't tell them, say, with a seal of some of the growth. One thing that's the day almost over still. Alright, so we talk about the bed and thing and everything like that. See, and like me say, I've been on the bed on a real basis. I have to show the item love and appreciation. Anyway, my people, I want to start stick on the mirror or something. Because, alright. We get the plug installed and thing, and we definitely can use it. But we still have some more finishing work in the bathroom I have to do. The vanity, the door for the vanity, I have to line that up. We need to get some furniture boards, some furniture plyboards and thing, and some other finishing furniture board that we can really polish down and varnish down. And then the medicine cabinet. But for now, in the evening, if the tape done, anything I will stick on this mirror. Alright. Boom shot. Blessed thank God again for everything. See, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers them. Happy Mother's Day to all the fathers them who take care of them youth and see this hour. Honoring and love for the mothers them regardless of none. See, now I go hurt your bills when I read bills. I don't stand up and quarrel with it because I just other things said. Better we just. Alright, so let me get to the tool that I need to do the thing. And then my boss, Mr. McFarlane, big up. a little smudge there. Just try them one at a time, just to make sure. My people, we're ready to install it. Beautiful. So it comes with its own screws. And okay, take this out. Oh my word, people. See that? See that? This one run out come over, man. And the reason why we bring it offset, because I'm going to try to fit in the middle, but it wouldn't work in the middle because it's just a lady zone I'm building up on a real basis. I build the bar to sustain ladies. That can work. That can work. Come here to my people. Yeah, that can work. And sometimes we don't want the big establishing light. See, blessed again, thank the Adam again for watching. Thank the Adam for supporting my channel. We're still developing my people. We don't come to the fullness yet. Alright then, my people, yeah, my people, so I'm there on my way to the post office, you know, you don't know, seeing. I'm there up on Cassava Piece and Kansas Spring Road, as the item can see. Seeing, so we're going to make the item know what go on with the package, because we will track it. Boom shot. Alright, your people, so we're there at post office, you know. The item can see. Seeing. So we run up in there, we might not do no taping, you know, but we're going to make the item know on a real base. What's the outcome? Yeah. Seeing. So hang tight. Bless you. Yeah, man. Well, my people, your people. The package is not sent off the island yet. It's still their custom. I still have it held up a custom. Just like them keep explaining to me, them now go just send off one package. Them all wait till them accumulate up. But the system is so down pressing. The system is so slow and down pressing, yeah. But I just saw the thing said, it's still their custom. Alright, them say normally it's going to take a month. So from the 8th of April, we're waiting now. January, February, March, April, May. Alright? So we just have to wait and see. We have the tracking number and everything. And highly. We know what go on and know what to look out for. See? So I just said to my people, alright, boom shot, I can't wait till I meet send it back to the sender. But either way take it. Jah be praised, alright? Daniel Marshall there upon the infrastructure work. Remember Super Value Town Center. Alright, that's over there. See it over there, sir. Very active and look loaded with business right now. See, as the item can see. Alright. Bless up.